Hey there friend, it's another day. I'm moving slow, but that's okay. The morning sun is on its way, and I know just what you'll say. Don't wanna lurk before work, just watching time pass by. Don't wanna lurk before work, but here I am, I try. My boss, you know, he's such a jerk, while all the clerks just smirk. I shuffle papers, try to perk up my mind that wants to shirk. Don't wanna lurk before work, just watching time pass by. Don't wanna lurk before work, but here I am, I try. Tick-tock, the clock moves slow, the minutes quirk and turn. Round and round we go, these lessons that we learn. We learn, we learn, we learn. We flirt, we smirk, we work. So here's the truth I need to say. These hours spent day after day might make me feel like running away, but with you, friend, I think I'll stay. Don't wanna lurk before work, just watching time pass by. Don't wanna lurk before work, but here I am, I'll try. Yes, here I am, I'll